This bird looks like it came from the age of dinosaurs. This is the shoebill stork. You can find it in the wetlands of Central and Eastern Africa, especially in Uganda and South Sudan. The shoebill hunts fish like lungfish and tilapia, along with frogs and small reptiles. It is extremely quiet, patient, and solitary, standing still for hours while waiting for prey. With its massive beak and intense stare, it rarely moves, but when it strikes, it's lightning fast. Amazing, it can live up to 35 to 50 years. Follow for more rare animal facts.